hold on to this and loosen this back up. There. I think it goes off the right as you expect it to. Okay, so then here's how you take these off. Usually come down kind of at a, get your side sides and twist it. Now sometimes you'll leave a little hole in and you have to weld it shut. Some people cut them off and grind them off, but I don't want to grind my metal any more than I have to. Right. I don't want it thin. So what you do is you try to come right down on top of it, squeeze it, and turn it, okay? So now, I would look, you probably do them one at a time this time, but I put one right there, 1/4 inch away, and I put it here. Right next to it. Remember that this thing's got to touch the metal. You don't have to do that very long. Perfect. Remember you have to turn the opposite. Maybe it goes the other way. If it doesn't start tightening up, you know you're going the other way. I'd go back down and do it a little bit more. Maybe here's